Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the sound mode on your Sharp Android TV. To do it, simply click on the menu button on your remote while you're within some app or watching live TV. Then you'll see either this menu or a different menu, but it doesn't matter how does the menu look like, because you just need to go to the sound section, and in sound section this menu will look exactly the same as in my case. Now go to sound style and you can set it to standard, vivid, sport, movie, music or news, or set it to user and adjust everything yourself. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.